GOOVI G20 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful, smart, and versatile cleaning for modern homes. The GOOVI G20 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart and efficient cleaning solution designed to effortlessly maintain a spotless home. Combining powerful suction 3-in-1 cleaning capabilities and smart home integration, the G20 offers a convenient and effective way to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair. Key features: powerful 1,400 pascals brushless motor. Equipped with a robust brushless motor, the GOOVI G20 delivers consistent and reliable suction, effectively lifting dirt and debris from various floor surfaces. 3-in-1 cleaning functionality. This versatile robot seamlessly integrates vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution for your home. Smart app control and voice integration. Connect the G20 to your Wi-Fi network and control it remotely using the Tuya app. Schedule cleaning sessions, monitor progress, and adjust settings from your smartphone. The G20 is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home for convenient voice control. Wet and dry mopping. The integrated water tank allows for wet and dry mopping, effectively removing stains and leaving your floors sparkling clean. Large capacity 2-in-1 dustbin and water tank. The 200 ml dustbin and 230 ml water tank minimize the need for frequent emptying and refilling, allowing for extended cleaning sessions. Multiple cleaning modes. Customize your cleaning sessions with various cleaning modes, including random cleaning, edge cleaning, and spot cleaning, ensuring thorough cleaning coverage. Automatic charging. When the battery is low, the G20 automatically returns to its charging station to recharge, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning cycle. Anti-collision and anti-drop sensors. Equipped with sensors to prevent collisions with furniture and falls from stairs, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Quiet operation. Designed to operate at a noise level of less than or equal to 65 dB, minimizing disruption to your daily activities. Long runtime. The 2,500 mAh lithium battery provides up to 110 minutes of runtime, allowing the robot to clean large areas on a single charge. Obstacle crossing ability. The robot can easily navigate over obstacles up to 15 millimeters in height. Specifications: color black. Control remote button Wi-Fi app Tuya. Material ABS. Dimensions: 300 by 300 by 74 millimeters. Weight 2.5 kilograms. Power 28 W. Motor brushless. Suction power 1,400 pascals. Noise level less than or equal to 65 dB. Dustbin/water tank capacity 200 milliliters. Dustbin/230 milliliters. Water tank. Filter HEPA. Climbing angle 15 degrees. Obstacle height 15 millimeters. Cleaning modes: random edge spot. Charging, auto or manual. Battery 2,500 mAh lithium. Charging time 4 to 5 hours. Runtime 110 minutes. Accessories included: charging station, remote control batteries 2 PCS, adapter, cleaning brush, HEPA filter, side brushes 2 PCS, mop. Benefits: powerful suction for effective cleaning, versatile 3-in-1 functionality, smart app and voice control for convenient operation, wet and dry mopping for thorough cleaning, long runtime and automatic charging, quiet operation, safety features to prevent collisions and falls. Overall, the GOOVI G20 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable and efficient cleaning solution that offers a blend of powerful performance and smart features. Its 3-in-1 functionality, smart home integration, and quiet operation make it a valuable addition to any modern home.